So guys, when you log in you already logged in Wi-Fi, you see the head here arrow, this one. Click this one, and then you can see when you click the head, and then my profile. Click to my profile, and then if already done, so scroll up, then edit my profile. Click edit my profile. It will see the personal info. Click your personal info. After personal info, click, you have to correct your email address here because they give you temporary. Check your name is correct, your mobile number, you can put also that your birth, and then your address here in Kuwait or whatever you are. So Kuwait, State Al Ahmadi, Kuwait, postal code of Kuwait, Sabah Salim 4403, and then if you have wallet address, you can put your wallet address. Then go to change your password. The one that they give you the temporary, you can paste from here, and then your real password from here. Real password should be the same. Type 2 times here and here, retype, so should be same. And then after that, save changes. You will see successfully changed. Then you will log out. If you receive the successfully changes, you have to log out from here. Then you can type your real password now, like this 79, then the password is already there, and then you can put your real password, not a temporary one. Okay, bye bye.